Good morning, boys and girls. Today is Tuesday, April 21st, and here is our ELA lesson. Okay, let's start with our I can statement. Read it with me. I can decode words with vowel sound, O, like in moon. All right, let's break it down. Break it down. Say it with me. I can decode. What does it mean to decode? Right, sound out. Words with vowel. Our vowels are A, E, I, O, U. Sometimes Y and W. Like sound O, like in moon. That sounds super similar, or that sounds exactly the same as the sounds we learned last week, right? Glue. And like in oot. And like in fruit. So now we're learning that O can also make that sound of ooh, like in moon. And here's our picture card. We have moon, our picture of the moon. Woo! Moon. And then we have moon. Moon. So let's practice decoding words with O that say ooh, like in moon. Okay. Okay. Ready? Let's do some together. Ready? All right. Ooh, moon, moon, moon. All right, let's try to sound this word out. Ready? Ooh, oh. Put together. Starting here. Going across. Ooh, oh. Fool. Fool, like you might fool someone on April Fool's Day, like try to trick them. All right, let's try another one. Ready? Ready? Ooh, oh. Ooh, oh. Put it together. Pool. Nice. It's super fun to go swimming in a pool. Pool. Let's try. This one's a little trickier. Ooh. No. Starting here. Sounding it out. Ready? Oon. Oon. What's the word? Spoon. Nice job. Let's try. Okay. All right, let me write some more. Let me erase these and I can write some more for us to decode together. Ready? Okay. Oost. Oost. Boost. All right, let's try another one. Ready? You wear these a lot in the winter or when it's raining outside. Boot. Boot. You have to wear boots when it's snowy out to keep your feet dry. Boot. Let's try. Ready? Zzz. Ooh, zoo. Nice job. Ready? We'll try one more. Ready? Ooh, oop, loop. So these are all words that when O says ooh in. Ooh, zoo, boot, boost. So OOs can sometimes say ooh. Nice job. Okay, let's go over our high frequency words. Ready? Because. Say it. Because. Think of a sentence that you can use because in. I ate all of my vegetables at dinner because they're good for me. Oh, good job. All right, next one. Told. I told my mommy I tried my best on my math worksheet. And that's awesome. Told. Let's try this next one. Across. It's fun to skate across the ice. Across. Only. How could you use only in a sentence? There was only one piece of candy left in the bowl. Only. Let's try another one. Ready? Dance. Say it. Dance. It is fun to dance. I love dancing. All right. Shoes. I love my pink shoes. And the last one. Opened. Say it. Opened. I opened the door for my friend. Opened. Very nice job. Okay. Let's go over our worksheet. Oh, and Moon says what? Ooh. Nice job. Ooh. And we'll keep that up there so we can remember. Alrighty. Please get out your packet. Yes, it's a very big one this week. Very big packet. Miss Hurley had some, I had some challenges with the copier. So you have a nice big worksheet. Okay, write your name on the top. And we will go over this together. All right, name is on it. I'm abbreviated. And it says Tuesday, April 21st. Okay, I got to bring it up a little closer for you. Okay, it says circle the word for each picture. Okay, so is this a picture of a zoo or a zip? Zoo or zip? Right, zoo. So you will circle zoo. All right, going on to the next picture. This is a picture of a span or a spoon. Spoon. Nice. And while you're decoding these words and figuring out the pictures, make sure you're sounding them out. Sound out those words. I can't wait to hear you become great decoders. Okay, let's look at this next picture. Is this a pal, or is this a pool? Pool. It's a picture of a pool. Okay, let's do one more on the top. Is this a picture of a stool or a stable? Stale. It's a stool. All right. Looking at the bottom, it says, pick a word to finish each sentence. All right. Number 1. The blank blocked the cars on the road. Now, is it the moose blocked the cars on the road or the mouse? What do you think would block cars on a road? Probably not a mouse. A mouse is really small. A moose would be big and would definitely block some cars. So you're going to circle moose and write it on a line. Moose. Oops. Moose. Okay, going on to the next one. I dropped my blank on the floor. I dropped my farm on the floor. Or I drop my food on the floor. What makes more sense, boys and girls? Right, it would make more sense if you dropped your food, because I don't know how you would drop your farm. Food. So you'll circle food, write it on the blank. And notice, both of these words have the O-O sound, like in moon, moose, and food. Nice job. Going on to number 11. I used a blank to clean up the mess. Ooh, this was a little trickier. I used a boot to clean up the mess, or I used a broom. What would you use to clean up a mess? Probably not a boot, a broom. So you'll circle broom and then write it on the line. Broom. Nice job. All right, turn to the next page. Yep, it's a very interesting packet here, nice and big. All right, here's our high frequency words. Let's read them together. Across, because, dance, only, opened, shoes, and the last one is told. It says, read the words in the box, then pick one to finish each sentence. Write it on the line. All right, number 1. We had a party blank on Valentine's Day. We had a party blank on Valentine's Day. We had a party blank. It was Valentine's Day. Across, because, dance, only, opened, or shoes, or told. We had a party because it was Valentine's Day. So you'll write because on the line. And you have to write it kind of small. Because. Nice job. Number 2. There were many hearts, but blank one gargoyle on the wall. There's only one gargoyle on the wall. Only. And only will go on that line. Only. Number 3. I like to blank the waltz. And the waltz is a special type of dance, so I like to dance. Dance the waltz. Number 4. I dance blank the room in my tuxedo. I dance blank the room in my tuxedo. We used dance. We used only. We used because. Would it be I danced opened the room in my tuxedo? No. I danced shoes the room in my tuxedo? No. I dance across. Nice job. Across. And I wrote across on that line. Moving down to number 5. Do you like my shiny dance blank? Do you like my shiny dance shoes? And you'll fill in shoes. Shoes. Nice job. All right, number 6. She blanked the box and smiled. She told the box and smiled, or opened? Opened. All right, opened. Opened the box and smiled. And the last one. My friend blank me. She liked the gift. My friend told. Nice job. And those are our high frequency words. Alrighty. All right. This page is all about adjectives. An adjective is a word that describes a noun, a person, a place, a thing, or an animal. So an adjective is a describing word. Add ER to an adjective to compare two persons, places, or things. The cat is smaller than the dog. Smaller is the adjective. Add EST to add an adjective to compare 3 or more persons, places, or things. The mouse is the smallest of the 3. Smallest is the adjective because it's describing it. It makes it easier for you to see. All right. Circle the adjective that compares 2 things. Underline the adjective that compares 3 or more. So this one is 2. This one is 3. All right. The Mrs. Hopper is taller than Henry. 1 person, 2 people. So we have Mrs. Hopper and Henry. So Mrs. Hopper is taller than Henry. It's comparing to, the word is taller. I'm going to circle taller. Nice job. Go to the next one. Henry's father is the tallest of all three. Oh, this one's dealing with 3, so I am going to underline tallest, because underline is when we compare 3. All right, I'm going to let you do the rest of those, boys and girls. And the last page is your handwriting. It's asking you to practice and write these numbers 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Super, super neat. Beautiful handwriting. And then the last thing, it says copy the sentence, leave the correct space between the words. Remember, really good handwriting. I love super neat handwriting. You cannot be too helpful. All right, boys and girls, keep up the great work. I miss you all so very much. All right, wash your hands. Love you. Bye.